Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Notebook Maths. Today I am going to solve some important problems from exercise 8C of chapter limits and continuity. Okay, for intermediate first year maths, that is from 1B maths. Okay, very important questions. Limits and continuity chapter, that is I have written from third bit, fourth, sixth and seventh questions I am going to solve in this video. Okay, first fourth question I am going to solve. Solution for this question is, here limit extends to 0, 3 under root cube root of 1 plus x minus cube root of 1 minus x by x is given. Okay, now how to solve this problem? Here we have to separate this term by denominator. Okay, first step we have to separate this term by x minus 3 cube root of this one. So this can be written as what? X tends to 0, 1 plus x whole power 1 by 3. Cube root can be written as 1 by 3, and this can be written as by x minus 1 minus x whole power 1 by 3. This can also be written as cube root of 1 by 1 minus x is 1 by 3. Okay, now I am making this term as common. I am taking as 1 by 3 minus 1 by 1 plus x minus 1. This can be written as 1 plus x minus 1. As it is, we get x here. When 1 and 1 cancel, we get x in denominator. So to make it x power n minus a power n by x minus a, to make it in this form, we are writing like this. Okay, 1 minus x, this can be also written as same 1 plus x minus 1. So 1 get cancel, we get x. So this is in the form of x power n limit extends to 0, a power n by x minus a equal to n into x, n into a power n minus 1. This is the formula I am writing in box to highlight this, which formula is used in this step. Okay, now this is 1 x power n like this, x power n minus a power n by 1 plus x minus 1, x minus a. And this is also I am writing limit extends to 0 for separating these two terms by limit. Okay, now 1 minus x whole power 1 by 3 is there, minus 1. Here difference is 1 plus x, here 1 minus x. Now we have to get in denominator also 1 minus x. But we have x plus x, no? Writing minus x here and making this place here to get minus. Okay, this term I am writing same common terms we have to take as x power n minus a power n. Okay, now it is in the form of this formula, x power n minus a power n by x minus a. Okay, now apply this formula. We get n means 1 by 3 into a power n minus 3. A means 1 here, n means again 1 by 3 minus 1. Okay, limit, applying limit for this one, we get plus 1 by 3 in n plus we have 1 by 3 and a plus we have 1 and 1 by 3 minus 1. So 1 by 3, 1 power what we will get, whatever we have we get 1 only. Okay, 1 by 3 into 1 power what is there, 1 only we get. Okay, now this 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 equal to 3, 1 plus 1 we get 2 by 3. So that's all. This is the solution for this question. This looks like very hard problem but very easy. We have to take here this step, important step we have to apply here, and this formula is used in this step. Okay, that's all. And next problem is sixth one. Limit extends to 0, 1 minus cos 2 mx by sin square nx is there. So what is there? We have many formulas are there to use, and we have to apply while doing this. Okay, limit extends to 0, 1 minus 2 cos mx is we can write as 2 sin square x. So we have the formula 2 sin square x equal to 1 minus 2 x. This is the formula. Okay, but we have 2 mx is there, so 1 minus 2 mx means 2 sin square mx. I can write it as 2 sin square mx by sin square nx is there. Okay, already we have denominator sin square nx. So now, okay, sin square nx is there. Now limit extends to 0, we have mx and nx is there. Now what we have, limit extends to 0. 2 sine square mx can be written as sine nx by limit extends to, we have to get in this form, mx by mx equal to what, 1. Okay, so make this step as this formula. Okay, for this we have to multiply and divide with what, multiply and divide with m square x square comma n square x square, because sine square is there, no, here also sine square is there, mx is there, nx, two formulas we get here for this and this. So here 2 sine square mx by m square x square, and here m square x square, and again here sine square nx into nx square n square x square. Okay, multiplying and dividing with n square x square m square x. Now make as a formula 2 as common here, limit extends to, I'm not written, limit extends to 0, sorry, here limit extends to 0. Here now see here, sine square mx by m square x square into n square x square by sine square nx into m square, here we are writing this. Okay, now applying limit for both terms, and sine mx by mx whole square I am writing outside for this. Okay, now limit extends to, separating limit for both terms, nx by sine nx whole square and m square x square n square x square here. So 2 into this whole term becomes 1 and this whole term becomes 1. Okay, now x square get cancelled, we remain with m square by n square. Okay, now here 2 into 1 into 1 into m square by n square. Okay children, m square by n square, here answer is 2m square by n square is the answer. Okay, very easy to apply the limit. When you are perfect in formulas, you can easily convert the given problem in formula type. Okay, so I have only done here one step, that is multiply and divide with m square x square n square x square to get this form. Okay, now we have applied this, now separated the limit for both terms. Now this becomes 1 and this becomes 1 here, this whole square written outside, here also written outside, then this becomes 1 and this becomes 1, and here x square get cancelled, we remain with m square by n square. So 2 into 1 into 1 m square by n square, we remain with 2m square by n square. Now next problem, that is 1 minus cos x by x. Solution for this is 1 minus cos x by x is given. How to solve this question children? See here, 1 minus cos x means we can write it as formula. Before going to solve problems, you have to be perfect in formulas. We can write this 1 minus cos x as 2 sine square x by 2. So I am writing here, limit extends to 0, 2 sine square x by 2 by x here. So this is again formula like limit extends to 0, sine x by x equal to 1. This formula we have to use always whenever we have sine, cos, tan are there. So now here what to do, 2 is there constant right outside of this, sine x by 2, sine square x by 2 is there, denominator x is there. Now what we have to multiply and divide to get in formula, multiply and divide with which term we have to, Sine square is there. If we write whole square, we get x by 4. So x by 4 we have to multiply and divide. So 2 is constant, limit x tends to 0. Sine x by 2 whole square, multiply and divide with x by 4. X is there already, x by 4. Okay, now 2 into limit x tends to 0, sine x by 2 by this becomes x by x square by 4 into x by 4. Okay, now 2 into limit x tends to 0, here whole square, sorry, sine x by 2 whole square by this can be written as x by 2 whole square. Now it is in the formula, that is 2 into limit x tends to 0, sine x by 2 whole square by x by 2 whole square, this is the formula, into x by 4. Okay, now this becomes total terms becomes 1. Okay, total term becomes 1, and this becomes what, x by 4 is there, limit apply to this term also, tends to 0, x by 4 we get what, 0. So 2 into 1 into 0, this becomes total term is 0. Okay, like this we have to convert the given problem into formula. Okay, now this total term is 1, always we have to use this formula. So to get this formula form, we have converted this whole term as this one. By multiplying and dividing with x by 4, we get what, this whole term becomes sine x by 2 whole square by x by 2 whole square. This total term becomes what, as x tends to 0, x by 4 tends to 0, sorry, here we have x by 4, no, x by 4 tends to 0, so here also x by 4 becomes 0. So this total terms multiplied with 0, we get 0. That's all children. Thank you for watching my channel. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more updates and math topics. Every topic I have uploaded, children, please go through my channel. You have many problems to watch from my channel. Okay, if you have any doubts, comment me in comment section. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you.